Hi everyone, welcome to Siri Tutorials. This is Srinivas. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss a very important topic, that is vectors. So vectors topic, it is very much useful to you for NCRT based students. Okay, so I'm going to do problems based on NCRT for 12th standard. Okay, so in this video I will do the most important questions which will frequently asked in exams, in annual exam. Okay, so this is very helpful to you, those who are going to appear for annual exam, upcoming exam. Okay, so I hope it will be helpful, and my request is everybody should see till end of the class. Okay, so I will do this part wise. Okay, right. So first of all, I will give little bit of just definition about vectors, as well as what are the conditions, what are the types of vectors. Okay, everything I will explain in short form. Okay, not briefly, because problems are we are going to focus mainly, right? So what do you mean by vector? So vector is a quantity which has magnitude as well as direction, which has quantity as well as which has magnitude as well as direction. Okay, magnitude as well as direction. See, I will take like this. So this, there is a direction, and with magnitude is nothing but length. Okay na, magnitude is nothing but length. This is called vector. Generally we will denote with vector a bar, or if we take this as initial point and this as terminal point, we can represent the vector in the form of ab bar. Generally, what are the examples of vector? Velocity, next force, next acceleration, okay, and so on. We can say these are examples of vector. Okay, so all these have magnitude as well as direction. Next, one more will be there, scalar. What do you mean by scalar? Scalar is nothing but the quantity which has magnitude only. Okay, magnitude only. Example, we can say that length. Length means it may have this direction or this direction. Okay, so there is no any particular direction, that's why it is called scalar. Okay, so length, we can say that a time period as well as a distance. Okay, so all will comes under this scalar. Okay, so this is just introduction about vector as well as scalar. Next, what are the types of vectors? See, types, compulsory one question based on these types. Okay, I will explain each and every types. First one is zero vector. What do you mean by zero vector? Zero vector is nothing but a vector whose magnitude is 0, or we can say that generally, for example, if we take the vector like this is a and this is b. Okay, so this is the direction. This is called initial point and this is called terminal point. If these 2 points coincide, okay na, or magnitude of the vector is 0, okay, I will take this point, okay. Here initial point to terminal points are coincide, okay. So initial point to terminal point both became coincide. That's why we can say that those two vectors coincide. That means the length is 0. This vector is called zero vector, okay. How can we denote the zero vector? We will denote the zero vector by like this, zero vector, okay na. Next, second one, after zero vector, we will have one more definition, unit vector. Okay, what do you mean by unit vector? Unit vector is nothing but the vector. Suppose this is the vector. Okay, I will take one vector. This is the vector with direction. Suppose the length of this vector is 1 unit. Then we can say that that vector is called unit vector. Okay, so a vector whose magnitude is 1 unit, a vector whose magnitude is 1 unit is called unit vector. Okay, so unit vector in the direction of given vector, this is most important condition. Okay, so unit vector in direction of vector a bar is given by a cap is equal to a bar by mod a bar. So this is most important condition. Based on this condition, we will do so many problems. Okay, unit vector in the direction of given vector. That means, for example, this is a vector. Okay, from here to here I have taken A as well as B. Then I will take one portion whose length is 1 with the particular direction. This is called unit vector in the direction of given vector. Okay na? So that will be A bar by mod A bar. This is about unit vector. After that, co-initial vectors. Co-initial vectors. Yes, here you have the definition. Suppose I will take two vectors. First one A bar as well as B bar. Two vectors having same initial point. This is called initial point. Then these vectors are called co-initial vectors. Next one more, collinear vectors. This is main important. Collinear vectors. So this question will be asked frequently in exam. Most important. That is for 1 mark question. Collinear vectors means two or more vectors, or we can say that two vectors. Okay, so if any two vectors or more than two vectors, two or more vectors parallel to same line called collinear vectors. Two or more vectors parallel to same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. Okay, so For example, I will take like this. I will take like this. Okay. Here, first one is in this way, second one is in this way. These two are parallel, okay, to the given vector, which are in opposite direction, and these have length also different. Length also different, but these are parallel. Parallel, irrespective. Irrespective means no need. No need of magnitude and no need of direction. Just parallel means these two are collinear. Okay. After that, I will move on to one more, that is equal vectors. Equal vectors. What do you mean by equal vectors? Equal vectors means two or more vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have same magnitude. This magnitude will be same and direction should be same, irrespective of their initial position. A initial position, whatever it may be, but direction should be same, as well as magnitude, length should be same. Okay, na? So this is about equal vectors, and one more will be there, negative. This is most important. Negative of a vector. What do you mean by negative of a vector? A vector whose magnitude is same as given vector. Suppose I have taken this vector with some magnitude. Then the vector which is having the opposite direction with the same magnitude. This magnitude and this magnitude same. Okay. So the vector having same magnitude as given vector but in opposite direction, that is called negative of a vector. Okay, na? So opposite direction should be there and magnitude should be same. Okay, so I will write the definition for this one only. A vector whose magnitude is same as given vector but in opposite direction. Direction called negative of a vector. Okay, na? So this is about all types of vectors. Okay, so these are very important, compulsory. One question there may be choice to come in annual exam. Okay, na? So you have to prepare very well. After that, next, what is the form of the vector? Generally vector form will be a bar is equal to some xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Okay, here I, j, k are unit vectors. Unit vectors means whose magnitude is 1 unit. Okay, na? And next one more will be there, the vectors joining 2 points. Suppose this is first one as well as this is second one, then the vector in the direction AB is AB bar is equal to, we can write it as OB bar minus OA bar. Okay, suppose A is the given point and B is the given point. Okay, then the vector in the direction of A to B. A to B means we need to start here, OB bar minus OA bar. For example, CB bar, how can we write? OB bar minus OC bar. For example, AC bar, how can we start? OC bar minus OA bar. Okay, here OB, OA, OB, OC, OC, OA. These are called position vectors. Position vectors. Okay, of given points, right? Next, after that, we will move on to main topic, that is product. Product of vectors. Two types will be there. Product of vectors. Product of vectors. Okay. Two types. One is dot product. Dot product. Or we can say that scalar product. Scalar product. Second one will be their cross product. Second one is cross product. Cross product, or we can say that vector product. Okay, so first we will discuss about dot product. So dot product. So dot product means, suppose A bar and B bar are two vectors and theta is angle between two vectors. Theta is angle between two vectors. Then the dot product is defined as A bar dot B bar is equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into cos theta. Okay, mod A bar into mod B bar into cos theta. Okay, from this we can write it as cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod A bar into mod B bar. So this is main important formula. Okay, so cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. So this is angle between two vectors. Okay, na? And clearly I am saying that A bar dot B bar, this is a scalar. Scalar. Okay, na? Scalar is nothing but number. Dot product value 2, 3, 5, 10, whatever it may be. It is a number. And one more condition we need to remember. I cap I dot I is equal to J dot J is equal to K dot K is equal to 1. I dot remaining is equal to, answer will be 0, or J dot remaining is equal to 0, K dot remaining is equal to 0. So same terms dot product value will be 1. Okay, in this context I will give some small example. After that we will move on to problems. Okay, right. So suppose A bar is equal to, I will take it as I plus J plus 2K. B bar is equal to, I will take it as 2I minus J plus K. Then what about A bar dot B bar? Okay, very simple. Dot product I dot I1. So here we can write it as 1 into 2. Here nothing is nothing but 1 plus J dot J value 1. Here what we have 1. Here what we have minus 1 plus K dot K means here we have 2, here we have 1. So answer is 2 minus 1 plus 2. 4 minus 1 is nothing but 3. Already I said dot product is a number. I got number. Okay, na? So in dot product we need to multiply I terms, j terms, k terms only and add these. Okay, add these, right? So this is the method, and after that we will do cross product, but whenever the problems will comes I will discuss about that. First of all we will do based on all these conditions, and last one more is also there, projection. Projection of a vector on another vector. Projection of a vector on another vector. Suppose this is A bar and this is B bar. Okay, then the projection of A bar on this vector B bar will be A bar dot B bar by mod B bar. Projection of the vector A bar on the vector B bar. Okay, I am not explaining deeply, just the condition I am explaining. Okay, na? So if we explain deeply, it will take a lot of time. That's why I will do one more video for that briefly. But now I am going to make the video for the purpose of mainly problems. Okay, so A bar dot B bar divided by mod B bar. One more, projection of B bar on A bar, whatever it will be, B bar dot A bar divided by mod A bar. Okay, on means divided by. Okay, these are also very important formulas. Based on this, now we are going to start the problems. Okay, one by one. Okay, and remember, you have to solve each and every question and see up to till the end, right? I will do some of the problems based on the given discussion, based on the given discussions, right? So find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. What is that vector? A bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k. See the solution. In the beginning I told what is unit vector? Unit vector in direction of vector A bar is, how can we write? A cap is equal to A bar by mod A bar. Okay, na? Where suppose if A bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, then mod A bar value will be under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, this is the length of the vector or magnitude of the vector. In question what was given? A bar is equal to 2i plus 3j plus k cap. Then mod A bar is equal to how much? Under root of 4, 3 square 9, 1 square 1. That is nothing but root 14. Substitute here, what we get? A cap is equal to A bar. A bar means what should I write? 2i cap plus 3j cap plus k cap divided by, means mod A bar means what? Root 14. That means under root of 14. So this will be the answer. Simple, no? Okay, just I used the formula, that is A cap is equal to A bar by mod A bar, and mod A bar is equal to this one. You got the point? After that we will move on to one more problem. You can find this. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector. Very simple. What is that? Same, you can do the problem. Mod a bar is equal to how much? Under root of 1 plus 1 plus 4, because 1 square, 1 square, 2 square, 1, 1, 4. So how much will be? Root 6. Substitute there. A cap is equal to a bar by mod a bar. That is nothing but I plus j plus 2k cap divided by root 6. Very simple. Next, let us move to one more problem. See this problem. What is the problem? Find the unit vector in the direction of the sum of the vectors. SUM sum. Sum is nothing but plus. Okay. First, I will take like this. A bar is equal to 2i plus 2j minus 5k, and b bar is equal to 2i plus j plus 3k. So sum means, what is that sum? A bar plus b bar is equal to, add these 2 plus 2, 4i cap, next to 2 plus 1 plus the 3j cap, minus 5 plus 3, minus 5 plus 3, how much? Minus 2 k cap. Okay, I will take this as some C bar. Just I am writing a name. So then unit vector in direction of C bar is, what is formula? C cap is equal to, very simple, C bar divided by mod C bar. Okay. Substitute here. First of all, what is mod C bar is equal to from this? Mod C bar, how much? Under root of 4 square, 16 plus 3 square, 9 plus 2 square, 4. Here you can say minus is there, but minus square is plus. What we get? Root 29. So answer will be C cap is equal to 4i cap plus 3j cap minus 2k cap divided by root 29. So this will be the answer. Okay, na? So you got the answer. And after that, I will move on to one more problem. See this question. Find the unit vector in the direction of the vector PQ bar. So PQ bar means, in question given 1, 2, 3 and Q 4, 5, 6. Then what about PQ bar? Already I told, start with Q. OQ bar minus OP bar. OQ bar minus OP bar means 4 minus 1, 3i cap. Next, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means 3j cap plus 6 minus 3. Okay, in this direction. 6 minus 3 means 3k cap. I got PQ. I will give one name for this, some C cap. Okay, C bar is equal to. So then the question is unit vector in the direction. Then what we can say, that C cap is equal to C bar by mod C bar. C bar is nothing but 3i plus 3j plus 3k cap divided by, modulus means, how can we write modulus of C bar? Under root of 3 square. 9 plus 3 square. 9 plus 3 square, 9. How much? Root 27. So, root 27, okay, let it be, I will write here, root 27. We can write this root 27 as 3 root 3. Okay, substitute here, what we get? From numerator 3 is common, I plus j plus k cap divided by 3 root 3. 3 got cancelled. I got I cap plus j cap plus k cap divided by root 3. So this is about C cap is equal to. Okay, easy, no? Very easy. But main we need to see PQ bar. PQ bar is nothing but OQ minus OP. PQ from here to here. Okay, na? We need to do corresponding terms subtract. 4 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3. Understood? 4 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 3. Right? You got all these conditions. Okay, na? Nice. Next, we will move on to one more problem. So this is also frequently asked question. Okay, na? See the question. So based on this question, 2 to 3 problems will be there, but now I will explain only one problem, and similarly you have to do 2 more problems. Okay, na? So one triangle is there with A, B, C as vertices. Okay, na? Show that the points are vertices. Show that the points are the vertices of right angled triangle. Okay, right angled triangle means we can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equal to, what is AB square plus BC square. Okay, depending on the question, we need to check. First of all, I will find AB. AB vector. AB vector means we can write it as OB minus OA. Okay, na? Start with B. First of all, A, what we have? 2 minus 1, 1. B, what we have? 1 minus 3 as well as minus 5. Okay, so from this OB minus OA, that means minus. So what we get? 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1 I cap. Okay, next after that plus minus 3, minus 3, minus in minus plus 1. What we get? Minus 2 J cap plus third one minus 5 minus 1. How much? Minus 6 K cap. Then what we get? Minus I cap minus 2 J cap minus 6 K cap. This is AB bar. AB bar is equal to. Okay, na? Now I will find modulus of AB bar, because mod AB bar is equal to, we can write it as under root of 1 plus minus 2 square 4 plus minus 6 square 36. 36, what we get? Here minus 36, 40, 41 we get. Okay, let me see the question at once. 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, so 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 and minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Okay. After that, I will move on to one more condition, BC. BC means, first of all, B we need to take. What is B here? 1 minus 3 minus 5. What is C? C we have 3 minus 4 minus 4. 3 minus 4 minus 4. Okay. So I will apply. What we get? BC bar is equal to OC minus OB. Enough? Right. OC minus OB. OC minus OB is equal to from here to here. So what we get? 3 minus 1. How much? 2I cap minus 4 minus into minus plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 value minus 1 J cap minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 will be 1 K cap. So it answer will be mod BC bar is equal to under root of 2 square 4 plus 1 plus 1. How much? Root 6. Okay na? Once more. 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 value 2. Next, minus 4 minus into minus plus 3. Minus 1. Next, third one, minus 4 minus in minus plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5. That's value is plus 1. Okay. This is for understanding purpose. And last one I will do CA bar. CA bar means here C value 3 minus 4 minus 4 and A value, what is A value? 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1 1. Okay. So CA bar I can find CA bar is equal to OA bar minus OC bar. From here to here, I will write 2 minus 3 as well as minus 1 minus into minus plus 4 and third one 1 minus into minus plus 4, that is nothing but minus I cap plus 3J cap plus 5K cap, that is equal to mod CA bar is equal to under root of 1 plus 9 plus 25. 25 plus 1 will be 35. That 25 plus 10 will be 35. Okay. Right. So these are all values we have. First, mod AB bar is equal to root 41. Mod BC bar is equal to root 6. Mod CA bar is equal to root 35. Okay. See this. Mod BC bar plus mod CA bar, mod BC bar square plus mod CA bar square is equal to mod AB bar square. Check it. Square means 6 plus square means 35 is equal to square means 41. So 36 plus 5 is 35 plus 6 is equal to 41. Pythagoras theorem satisfied. See this, Pythagoras theorem satisfied. Hence we can say that the given points A, B, C forms a right angled triangle. Okay na? This is easiest problem but little bit of lengthy. Okay na? So simple. AB we need to find OB minus OA. BC we need to find OC minus OB. CA or AC we need to find, and after that apply modulus. Okay, na? Modulus means under root of, right? Easiest problem. Now we will move on to one more problem. So this is the problem. This is also most important question and which is easiest one. Show that the two vectors are collinear vectors. Okay, na? So collinear means lies on same line or parallel lines. Okay, collinear lies on same line, right? So two vectors lies on same line or parallel lines are called collinear vectors, because I told the definition of collinear vectors. Okay, na? So I will write two properties. A bar is equal to a1i plus b1j plus c1k cap. B bar is equal to A2I plus B2J plus C2K cap. Then first condition, A bar parallel to B bar. Then A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. And second condition, A bar perpendicular to B bar. Then A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 is equal to 0. So these are most important conditions. Okay, most important. Now we need to show that collinear. Collinear means first one. From this, A1 is equal to 2, B1 is equal to minus 3, C1 is equal to 4. Okay, so A2 is equal to minus 6, B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to minus 8. So A1 by A2, I will write the formula. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. If it satisfies the condition, then the given vectors are collinear. A1 2 by minus 6, minus 3 by 6, 4 by minus 8. 2 ones are 2 threes are minus 1 by 3, 4 twos are 1 minute. What was given? This is not 6, it is 4. Okay, so this is minus 4, right? So I need to change. This is 4. Otherwise I will remove this total, it will be clear. Okay, na? Right. So 2 divided by minus 4. So answer also changes. So what we get? 2 ones are 2 twos are, 3 ones are 3 twos are, 4 ones are 4 twos are. Minus 1 by 2 equal to minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Satisfied now? Hence we can say that the given are collinear. Understood? So this is about to do the problems based on collinear condition. Next, I will move on to one more question. Okay, what is one more question? Find the vector in the direction of given vector which has magnitude is 8 units. Magnitude is 8 units means we need to find 8 into a cap. So unit vector in direction of a bar with magnitude how much? 8, length 8 units is, what is that? 8 into a cap. Okay na? Very simple. You have a bar is equal to 5i minus j plus 2k. Then mod a bar is equal to how much? Under root of 25 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 25 30. Okay, root 30 you will have. So then what is the condition? 8 a cap means 8 into a bar divided by mod a bar. Okay na? Mod a bar. So that is equal to 8 into a bar. A bar means 5i cap minus j cap plus 2k cap divided by mod a bar means root 30. Okay, so we can multiply this. By multiplying this, what we get? That is equal to 8 5s are 40i cap minus 8j cap plus 16k cap divided by root 30. Okay, so this will be 8 into a cap. Okay, so this is also the most important question, and in example also you have, in NCERT example also same method you have to do. Next, one more problem. So what to do or how to do one more problem? Find the direction cosines of the vector. Yes, direction cosines. You need to know about direction cosines. First of all, I will explain about direction cosines. Suppose x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, three-dimensional system I have taken. If a line OP bar, OP, or if a vector OP bar, I will take the vector OP bar is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. If the vector makes angle alpha with x-axis, beta with y-axis, gamma with z-axis, then we can say that cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, these are called direction cosines of the given vector. We will denote with L, M, N. Okay, here cos alpha, suppose agar a length, I will take this length as R, mod OP bar is equal to R, then cos alpha will be x by mod R, and cos beta will be y by mod R, cos gamma will be z by mod R. Okay na? So this will be the length. Okay na? Or we can say that you can write easily mod OP bar also we can write, or we can write this R. Simply I will write like this: x by R, y by R, z by R, because modulus I have taken here, its name is R, right? So how you got means it also have procedure. This is angle. Okay, I will take a perpendicular line. What about cos theta is nothing but adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay na? So adjacent side by hypotenuse is nothing but this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. OX is equal to how much? X. So x by mod OP bar. Okay, that is x by r. Right? So no need to briefly, just we need to remember. So from our question, find direction cosines. I will take this r bar is equal to I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Then what about mod r bar is equal to under root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. That is nothing but root 14. Okay. So now one by one we can say. So here direction cosines. What are direction cosines? L is equal to cos alpha is equal to x by r. X is nothing but I coefficient. 1 by root 14. M is equal to cos beta. That means ij coefficient, we can write it as y by r. So 2 by root 14 and n is equal to cos gamma, that is equal to z by r, 3 by root 14. So these are direction cosines. Okay na? Direction cosines of given vector. In similar method, I can do one more problem. Okay na? So what will be the another problem? See this. Find the direction cosines. Same DC's direction cosines of the vector joining A, B from A to B. So A 1, 2, minus 3, B -1, -2, 1. Okay, from A to B means we can write it as OB bar minus OA bar. Minus, first one minus means -1, -1. Second one means -2, -2. Third one means 1 minus into minus plus 3. So we get -2, -4, 4. What will be the answer? -2i cap minus 4j cap plus 4k cap. Okay na? So this is about AB bar, or I can take it as R bar. Okay na? Because direction cosines we needed. So whenever we have like this, how can we write mod R bar is equal to under root of 4 plus 16 plus 16. 36. 36 means 6. Yes, easy. Direction cosines. L cos alpha x by r. Okay na, or mod r. How can we take x by mod r means a coefficient, I coefficient, -2 by 6. M is equal to -2 by 6 means -1 by 3. M is equal to cos beta is equal to y by mod r length. Okay na? So here we can write it as this is -4 by 6 -2 by 3, and the last one is n is equal to cos gamma. Cos gamma is equal to z by mod r. Z is nothing but how much z? 4 divided by 6, 2 by 3. Okay, so these are direction cosines. Understood? Right. We will move on to one more problem. See this solution. What is the question? Find the angle between two vectors. At the beginning I told dot product a bar dot b bar is equal to mod a bar mod b bar into cos theta. So that implies cos theta is equal to, we can write it as a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar into mod b bar. Okay, substitute all values here. I will write cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar mod b bar. In question, two vectors given with magnitudes given. Magnitude meaning is what? Mod a bar is equal to 1, mod b bar is equal to 2. Substitute here a bar dot b bar, how much? 1 divided by mod a bar 1 into mod b bar 2. Cos theta is equal to, that implies cos theta is equal to 1 by 2, then cos theta is equal to cos pi by 3. So then theta value how much? Pi by 3. Very easy. Okay na? Next. This is another one. Okay. What is another one? If theta is angle between two vectors, find angle between two vectors. This is also same method. A bar given, a bar is equal to I plus j minus k cap. A bar is given means mod a bar is equal to how much? Under root of 1 plus 1 plus 1, root 3. B bar is given I minus j cap plus k cap. That implies mod b bar is equal to under root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. That is equal to root 3. Okay. So the question is angle between two vectors. What is angle between two vectors? Cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar by mod a bar into mod b bar. I have mod a bar mod b bar. We need to find this one. What about a bar dot b bar is equal to dot product means I terms. Okay na? I will write like this. From this first one, 1 1 minus 1. From second one, 1 minus 1 1. So dot product will be 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus minus 1 into 1 minus 1. That is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1. Hence it is minus 1. A bar dot b bar is equal to. Substitute here, that is equal to minus 1 divided by mod a bar is nothing but root 3 into root 3. So cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 3. So theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 3. This will be the answer. Understood? So just mod a bar I got, mod b bar I got, and I got a bar dot b bar. Don't get confused about this. I terms multiplied, j terms multiplied, k terms multiplied. We already did in previous problem. Okay na? Right. I think you won't have any confusion. Okay. Next, we will do one more problem. So with this problem, I will stop this video, and tomorrow I will make one more video on this vectors topic. Okay na? So see this problem. Find the projection of the vector a bar on another vector. So a bar is given. What is a bar is equal to 2, 3, 2. B bar is equal to 1. This is I cap. So 1, 2, 1. Okay. So from this, what was asked? Projection of A bar on B bar. We have the formula. What is that? Projection of A bar on B bar is A bar dot B bar divided by mod B bar. Okay na? So this is the formula. So here, first of all, we need to find A bar dot B bar. What is A bar dot B bar is equal to dot product. I told first term 1 in 2 into 1 2 plus 3 into 2 6 plus 2 into 1 2. That is nothing but 10. I got A bar dot B bar. Okay na? So that is equal to I got A bar dot B bar. Next we need mod B bar, and mod B bar is equal to, from this, under root of 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 plus 1 square 1. How much? Root 6. Substitute here. A bar dot B bar will be 10 divided by mod B bar is nothing but root 6. Okay. So projection of the vector A bar on B bar formula we need to remember and substitute in the formula. Okay na? So these are very easy problems. Okay na? So in next class I will do some more problems. These are all NCERT and which are most important problems. Okay na? So in next class I will do some more problems based on this vector. Okay na? So, and I request you, if there is any doubts or any comments, please comment in comment box. Okay na? Thank you very much.